This is me, poor strip, while I talk about the SMSL M3 DAC and headphone amp. So this is it, SMSL M3 DAC and headphone amp. This is like, according to the website, it's 3.75 by 3 inches. It's small, next to my mouse here. Lightweight. Inputs at the back. So you have one micro SD input for power, micro USB, another micro USB input for data, for your USB audio, one optical input, and finally coaxial input, and then you have left, right, RCA out. In the front you have a quarter-inch headphone jack, your volume knob, button for selecting your inputs. Here it shows which input you're in, and this is the sample rate for your audio files. So that's it. The M3 comes with a micro to micro USB cable, a micro to USB A cable, and the adapter for the quarter-inch to the 3.5mm headphone jack. It doesn't come with a wall wart, so you have to plug it in directly to your computer. Testing this out, I have it plugged into my computer. Let me plug this back in. It doesn't have a power switch, so once you plug it in, you turn on the computer, lights go on, assuming you have the right inputs. And you don't need any drivers for this thing. It's automatically detected by Windows 10. I have it here, and it's listed. Yep, I don't have it activated. It's listed as SMSL M3 desktop DAC. Okay, so testing it out with the Mass Drop Focal ELEX. How do you say that? ELEX headphones. So according to the website, hold on. According to the website, the Mass Drop Focal ELEX is 80 ohms, has an 80 ohm impedance right there. And listening to Spotify, Bruno Mars, 24 Karat Magic. This is like I'm at like 10 o'clock on the volume knob, and that's comfortable listening levels for me. So I just want to talk about it, like how I went from this setup. This is only a DAC. It doesn't have an headphone amp, so I needed another headphone amp, to a DAC with a headphone amp. So this is the SMSL Sanskrit 6th generation. In the back you have a USB port, the one like, I think this is type B if I'm not mistaken. So you had to have power aside from the USB input, and then you have coaxial, optical, and then left, right, out. So I wanted to streamline or minimize whatever I had going on in the desk. So yeah, instead of having a power cable, a USB cable for the input, an amplifier for my headphones, all I needed now was here. I replaced everything else with this. So separation, yes, I can hear it. Bass, I can hear it. It's clear enough. I'm not like super audiophile, but like for my needs, for using this on the computer, yeah, it's good enough. Especially for the price. This was cheaper than this. So yeah, I'm very satisfied with it. I have yet to test it out with headphones that have higher impedance, like the 600 Sennheiser HD 600 and the 800 because I don't have those headphones. But with this setup, it's good enough, right?